in continuation of the previous lecture, we are going to discuss the importance of academic writing for researchers in this lecture. For researchers, it is always important. They are just thinking about the research work, research output and publications. In the famous Indian film Sholay, the question the Gabbar asked, कितने आदमी थे? So like that, they are having the question in their mind, कितने पेपर है रे? So that kind of thing, that important, that pinch, that is the need they feel always. But they have the time constraints is also there. So with respect to that, we will discuss how it is important for researchers. Point number 1, that you can get your work evaluated for free. You have done a wonderful research. Okay? You want to get it reviewed. You want to get it checked. Can you get it checked by the international experts for free? It's a simple way. No, we are not expecting that we are going to get it published. But first, for making it a quality work, you write a manuscript and communicate it to a particular journal, a standard journal expert. You will get the expert reviews, and on the basis of that, and after having a good discussion with your mentor, you can get your work modified, and again it will be the quality, overall quality of your work will be improved. So it's a simple way. You will get it for free, absolutely for free. So it's a very good way to get your work evaluated. And it is my personal opinion that never submit your article to a substandard journal, because the experts involved in the good journal will give you the good inputs, the quality inputs, the analytical inputs, and these inputs will serve as a basis of modifying your manuscript and quality of research work you have done. Now moving to the second point. Academic writing is important for fulfilling the mandatory requirement of publications with PhD thesis. Almost in all institutions, published articles out of the work are to be submitted for getting the permissions to submit the PhD thesis. So until unless you know the basics of academic writing, you cannot have a published paper for submission of your thesis. Dear learners, academic writing is important for sharing the research output with national and international researchers. You publish your work in reputed journals, and by this you present your work in the form of research or review articles globally. Even if you're writing a thesis, actually you are putting it in a platform where the researchers can have a exchange of ideas. So that's why it is very important with respect to exchange of ideas globally. For getting recognition, international approval for your work. When you publish a paper, it is but obvious that it has gone through the rigorous peer review process from the experts of the field. So it is itself recognition as well as the international approval of your work. The academic writing gives weight to your CV and getting weightage in the academic and research jobs. Publications are the heart of a CV of a researcher. This gives the direct impression of your proficiency in research. No need to have a reference if you are having a good list of publications, quality publication in your CV. Academic writing is very important with respect to the planning the future research. For researchers, academic writing lays a foundation for the future work. When you plan, design and draft a manuscript, at that time only you will find that this point are to be kept in mind in future while doing the experiments. Or you will be able to chalk out the next level of work for further stage of your research work. when you're writing, the ideas come, and that ideas can be translated into the further research work for a advanced level of research. For getting the project grants, only when you have the prior publications on the field of your project proposal, you have the chances to get the grants for funding agencies. Each and every funding agencies checks in the proposal that where are the previous work, what are the status of previous work published by the researcher or the proposer. So that's why it is very important to get the future grants from the academic writing. So here we can have an idea that is very, very important for a researcher to learn and practice the academic writing. Now we are moving, for institution. You will say the institution. Will the institution write any paper? No. Actually, each and every person associated with an institution carries the baton of the institution. The name of the institution, the goodwill of the institution, the prestige of the institution is associated with each and every faculty member, researcher and student. And in this global research scenario, it is very important also for the institutions. Institutions, why? Let's see one by one. It is a performance indicator of institutions. Many well-known agencies do the survey and use the number of publications and citations as a measure of performance for their ranking. Say for example, you might have seen recently the Times Higher Education Survey, timeshighereducation.com. These are the links. You can go through these links. In the national level, in our country, it is also having similar ranking of institution through National Institutional Ranking of Framework, NIRF. These are the performance indicator, and on the basis of this, universities and institutions are ranked, and on the basis of ranking, they get the fund. So another point, the important point is that for getting the fund from the agencies, academic writing is important, because the quality publications, the citations gives the institution a good ranking, and on the basis of ranking, the agencies or the government gives the funds to the universities and institutions for the research and their planning and for the further expansion. Academic writing is also important with respect to the institution for attracting prospective students, researchers and foreign collaborators. Publications of an institute are the marker of its reliability as state-of-the-art research institute. This helps to attract prospective students, researchers and foreign collaborators. The collaborations further take the research to next level and give the recognition globally. So in this global academic and global research environment, without collaboration we cannot have the quality publication or quality research work rather. And the research for developing the technology, for developing the better world for humanity, the collaborations with respect to the facilities, technology and the researchers' own efforts, the collaboration of efforts is also needed. And that's why the academic writing helps in these collaboration. Lastly, academic writing is important for building goodwill and prestige. It is an intangible asset of the institution. The impact of academic writing on its prestige in the society, in the market, is governed by the number of publications or the total citations. It's one of the important factors. It also helps in attracting more and more students and foreign collaborators.